This is what?
This is the peanut butter elephant story.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pack my lunch. Here we got an orange, some candy, and an energy. Wait, oh yeah, and my delicious peanut butter sandwich. My energy bar. Oh, wait a second. Where did my peanut butter sandwich go? Maybe it's under here. No. What are you looking for? My peanut butter sandwich. Well, it's not up here in these trees. Okay. But if you see it. Okay. Oh, I really wish I had it. Is it under here? No. Oh no.
Maybe it's under the rug.
I guess I have to see zebra without it. Unless another.
Roar! What are you looking for?
My peanut butter sandwich? Well, it's not in my cave where I've been hanging. I'll tell you if I see it. Sounds good. Maybe it's under here. No. I guess I'll have to go see zebra without it. Have you seen my peanut butter sandwich? Nope, it hasn't been in the grass I've been eating in. Oh, that's okay. Just tell me if you see it. Okay. Oh, what could it be? Oh, I don't know. Hi. Hi. Ready to have lunch? Well, I'm missing my peanut butter sandwich. Wait! There's a squished peanut butter sandwich on your bottom. Squished? Oh. Well, I guess I just eat everything else that's in my lunch. But that's good. I have 2 carrots. One for you and one for me. Thank you.
Very nice.
Come out for the encore wave.
Come and bow.
Everybody
Hey,
stand
that
up
was
and
great.
bow. Okay. Stand up and bow.
Yay! Yay!
Woo-hoo.
I love
Wait,
the whole
one more
menagerie.
thing, one more